Hello guys, good morning, God bless and good morning. Today's Monday. I'm going to work naman sa Total Nation. God bless and good morning. USA, Canada, Indonesia, Inglaterra, New Zealand, Italy, Guam, France, Netherlands, Sri Lanka, German, Holland, Great Britain, Bahrain, Yugoslavia, China, Chinese, Taipei, Inglaterra. This is the portion of Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. This grass is fully brown because the affected of sun. This is the some part of Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. We have some plant of trees, fruits, bananas, mangoes, coconut, the very tall coconut. This is the tall plant of mango old tree. The very largest lot, no having any building or any house, fully of any kind of plant like the mango, like the coconuts, and more fruits. Star apple, God bless and good morning to all nation, and God bless to all nation, and shout out to all subscribers in my YouTube channels, and shout out to all viewers in my YouTube channels. God always with you. I hope don't having any of sickness in your body. God bless and good morning.